Hello friends, my name is Gul and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I hope all of you are doing great, super wonderful. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to think in English. Yes, because a lot of people, they couldn't think in English. They start thinking in English, but they couldn't do that. Instead of that, they start thinking their mother language. And those people who can think in English will be very easy for them to speak English. Because if you couldn't think in English, you couldn't speak in English. It's true. For example, you can think in your mother language for which you can speak your mother language very easily. So that's why great English speakers, they can think in English very easily, wonderfully, for which they can speak English very easily and very wonderfully. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 3 methods that you can think in English very easily and wonderfully. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video. The first one is start making sentences in your head. Yes, friends, all the time, all day long, we make some sentences in your head, but that sentences are in our language. We make it in our mother language, not in English. So from today, we all should make it in English. So it will going to help you to think and to make more sentences in English that you can speak with your partner or with your friend in English, and you can speak more sentences very easily and in a shorter time. And the second one is prepare yourself for conversation. If you couldn't do conversation with your friend, so please apply this method. Because a lot of people, when they start talking with his friend or when they do conversation at that time, they couldn't do it. So for example, you want to meet your friend tomorrow, so today you should prepare and you should make some sentences for tomorrow for your friend that you can communicate and you can do conversation with your friend very easily. So you should make that kind of sentences that you want to speak with your friend tomorrow. So this was the second one, and this method will going to help you to think in English for the future, and you will be able to think in English in very easily for future if you apply this method. And number three is recap your day. Yes, friends, do you know the meaning of recap? Recap means to remember or summarize something. So in this method, we have to recap our all day long. So what we have to do, whatever we do in our all day, so we have to think that in English. When we go to bed, at that time, we have to think in English. Or when you are lying on the bed, you should think your all activity that you have done in your day. So this will going to help you to think in English automatically. And if you make a habit of it, I am very sure that you will be able to think in English very wonderfully. And if you can think in English very wonderfully, you can speak English very wonderfully as English speaker speaks. They can think in English wonderfully, for which they can speak English very effectively. So these were the 3 methods that I have told you. So I am very sure that you all have understood it. So if you have understood it, then please just apply it and your English will be very good. So that's all for today, my dear friends. I will see you in the next video with a wonderful topic. Thank you.